Welcome to the Cool Plugins. This video is about the Event Query section. Events Time, All Events option is used for showing all the events. Between Dates option provides you with two more options: the start date of event and end date of event, to show only events between these dates. By default, all future events are shown. Select Past Events option to show only past events. If you want to show past and future events, then select the Upcoming plus Past option to show both. By default, events type show featured and non-featured events. Select Featured to show only featured event. Select Non-featured to show non-featured events. Events ASC option used for show events in ascending orders. Select Desk option for show events in descending orders. You can also apply more filtration on events. Category option to filter events based on category. Tag option to filter events based on tag. Organizer option to filter events based on the organizer. Venue option to filter events based on venue. Thanks for watching the video.